Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my pecan and chocolate chip banana bread. It's seriously good. And I hope, as always, if you enjoyed this video that you will give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And as always, you'll find a link in the description box to the recipe. So we'll get things underway. I have here 250 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of caster sugar, and that goes. Then I want 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. This is what will give it rise and make it light. Then I want half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. 100 grams of chocolate chips, rattle them in. And then I have here 80 grams of pecans that I've just roughly chopped. I neither want them big nor dust. Shake them in too. Okay, give that a quick stir together. And as simple as that, our dry ingredients are done. Okay, these can be set aside just for a moment while we get on with the wet ingredients, and they're every bit as simple. So I need 2 grossly overripe bananas. The more ripe, the sweeter they are, and the easier they are to mash, frankly. This one's not as ripe, but it will do just fine. I'll just mash them with a fork. Okay, they're soft and mashed enough. So now I want 90 mils of buttermilk, 125 mils of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, these a quick mix together. And we're ready to combine for the eggy banana custard into the dry ingredients. Mix these together. This is kind of easy baking. I like you can use a fork. And that's it. I have here a loaf tin that I just greased well with butter. Pour the batter in. So dense with nuts and chocolate chips. And this is ready for the oven. This will take 1 hour and 15 minutes in a 170 degree oven, and that will be a 150 degree fan. My banana bread has been cooling for a little while. It's not fully cooled yet, but it's cool enough for me. So looking forward to this. I just love this warm, and it makes such a quick and easy breakfast. Pop it in the toaster, either slather it in peanut butter or drizzle it with maple syrup, or if you really want a treat, both. so good. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, I would really appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and why not leave me a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. See ya!